Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you guys briefly how to create a Google search campaign. So all you need to do is navigate to Google Ads, click on new campaigns. So we need to scroll down and you need to click on create a campaign without a group, because that gives us more flexibility on how to create a campaign. So you click a search campaign, click continue. So you can enter your website so you can get some keywords ideas from Google. Later in the process of the campaign, you'll see what I mean by getting keyword ideas from Google. So you name the campaign name whatever suits you. So you enter your daily budget. So the best kind of campaigns that gives us flexibility is the manual CPC campaign. So navigate down to manual CPC because it gives us more flexibility. You don't need enhanced CPC except you're already tracking conversions. You can include that. Do not optimize, rotate indefinitely so that all your ads are fed equally. So we're running just search campaigns, so we need to take off display campaigns and search network. Then you enter your country of choice. Mine is Nigeria. Then under locations, the best that suits a local business, people in regular that visit regularly, audience segment and dynamic search ads. We don't need to touch that. That's fine. So we proceed to the next stage. So all you need to do is how much do you want to pay per click for a keyword or a search. That's what that's all about. So in the beginning we entered our website. So now you can see a few keywords that Google suggested to us. So the final UTRL must have the HTTPS. If not, it won't be able to run the ads. You must have the HTTPS there. So basically, what you need to do here is enter your headline. You need to have all this researched before you decide to set up your campaign, so that everything will just go in easily. So because this is a test campaign, I'm just showing you guys how to set up a campaign. I don't really need to, because I'm not running this ad. I'm just creating it for tutorial purposes for you guys. So you enter your description and you make sure you use all the 90 words that you're allowed to use. The more the merrier when it comes to advertising on Google Ads. So make sure both the description and the headlines, make sure you use all the words that you have available for you on Google Ads. So that's all. So you can add site links, and also you can also add a phone number, call out extensions, whatever. But basically, running an ad, you don't really need those, and you still have a very successful campaign, believe me. So that's all it takes to run Google Ads. You can see how easy it is, and believe me, you really have good success once your keywords are right and every other thing will set up properly. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and you get more interesting and awesome videos like this. Thank you very much. Thank you very